my screen now so we can start our class. Do you still remember our topic last meeting, Kong?
Yes.
We were talking about what? Number line. Number line shows numbers in order, which means number line is like this one, the blue color over here, okay? It should be from 0, 1, 2, 3 to higher numbers. Okay, Kong?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start answering this part over here, Kong. It says, write the missing number over here. Number 1, Kong, for example, what's the missing number in number 1?
Write the missing number.
Write the missing number.
5.
5, okay. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna make it bigger. Wait a minute. 5. Okay, how about number 2, Kong? What's the missing number?
11.
So easy. 11. Number 3.
9.
Good job. And number 4?
17.
17. Okay, good job, Kong. Okay, so that's it. Do you have any question about this one?
No.
No. Okay. So can you please read number 5, Kong?
How do you find which number is one less than 7 or 6?
One more time.
6.
6. So it says here, Kong, how do you find it? How do you find which number is 1 less than 7?
Because I know.
Because oh, Kong, okay. Okay, so we're gonna find it over here. 1 less than 7. Because, okay, like for example, this one, Kong, let's gonna put something like the number line over there. Okay, let's gonna put something like this part over here. So let's write 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 less than 7. So which means lower than 7, right?
Yes.
So we are going to go down 1. 1 less than 7. So it's here. 1. 1 less than 7. So what is it again? It's number
6.
6. Okay. Oh, good job. So easy for Kong. Here, Kong. It says again, write the missing number.
Okay. 11.
11. This one will gonna be fast, I think. This one.
3.
This one.
17.
17. This one.
7.
How about this one?
19.
19. This one.
3.
This one.
15.
15. And then this one.
7.
7. And then the last one is
14.
14. Okay. Too easy, Kong.
Yes.
Okay, can you please read this one over here? It says number
says count back. Write the missing number.
Write the missing number. So what's the missing number over here, Kong? It's
7.
7.
and 5
Mm-hmm.
and 4,
Okay. How about this one?
15,
Mm-hmm.
14,
Next.
14,
Okay. And the last one is
11,
11. So we are counting backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I'm sorry about this one. I think, yeah. There's a question over here, Kong. It says, circle the animal you think has more black stripes. What animal, Kong? Is it butterfly or zebra?
zebra.
Zebra, okay. So this one, can you please read it, Kong? Can you read it?
Patterns are everywhere. This coral snake has a pattern on it.
So what do you think is the pattern of this coral snake, Kong?
Black, white, black, white. Oh, what? Black, white, green, black, white.
Green?
Orange.
Orange, okay. Let's say it's red. One more time, Kong. What is it? I'll gonna draw it over here. What's the first one?
It is
The pattern is
the pattern is black, white, orange, white, black.
Okay. So can you tell me the first pattern first? First pattern.
Black.
Okay, wait.
White.
Here, let's say black, white, and then next.
Black, white, orange.
Orange.
White.
White. Okay, so is this the pattern?
And black. Is that is?
One more time.
That's all.
That's all. So this is the pattern. You just have to repeat it. Repeat and repeat. Okay, black, white, orange, white. Black, white, orange, white. Okay? How about this one, Kong? Next.
What? Wait. Show a color pattern on.
So what do you think is the color pattern of this butterfly?
Orange. Orange, black, and white.
Orange, black, and white. Okay, yeah, that's the color pattern. Is this just, do you think this one is orange? Well, how about this one, the lighter one? What do you think is
black and black?
Yeah, black. The color, there is, wait, let's write. There is a white color. White. What else?
Orange.
Orange. What else?
Black.
That's it?
And
3 colors only? How about this one, the darker one?
I think it's orange.
Still orange?
Or yellow.
Yeah, or yellow. Could be. The lighter one is yellow.
Lighter orange.
How about this one? This one, Kong. Look at teacher. This one over here. This one.
I think it's a light orange.
No, this one here, this.
Brown.
Brown. I think there's also a brown color. Okay. Good job, Kong. Next, let's move to next one over here. It says this caterpillar has a pattern too. Can you find a pattern on the butterfly or the caterpillar, Kong? Look at the caterpillar. What's the pattern of caterpillar?
White.
Wait. White.
Yellow.
Yellow. Is it yellow? Next to white
yellow?
is
Yellow.
next to white is yellow.
Yes.
Look, white. Kong, look at here. This is white, and the next is
White.
white. And what's next? Look at this one.
Yellow.
No, this one. Let's start over.
Orange.
No, this one, Kong. Look what I'm pointing. This is the white, right?
Yes.
White. This one. What's next to the white? It's
Black.
black. Not yet yellow. It's black first. White, black, and next to black is
Yellow.
yellow. And the next to yellow is another
and black.
good job. And black, and what else?
And white.
We are here, Kong. Look. We are here. White, black, let's say yellow, and then black. How about this one? What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. How about this one? Is this yellow too?
Black.
Okay, I think you're puzzled. Maybe let's just put this one over here, this other yellow, light yellow. Okay? And then let's put yellow over here and then black again. Look, Kong. Look what I'm pointing. This one over here. Kong. Look this one. Look at this one. White. Can you see the point? Can you see the point, Kong, here?
White.
White.
Black. Light yellow. Black. White and black.
Yellow. Yellow and then black. Okay, it's really hard to look at the patterns of the animals, Kong, but I think that's the pattern. Okay, so here, complete the sentence, Kong. A blank is a repeating pattern. A blank is a repeating part of a pattern. What is this, Kong? You choose your words over here. This one. Can you please read number 1?
I think rest or rest where?
No. You choose your answer with this word, Kong. Number line or pattern unit.
6.
Okay, so read number 1 first.
A pattern unit.
Okay, like that. A pattern unit. Okay, can you please continue reading, Kong?
Pattern unit. And
continue reading. A pattern unit is
a repeat hitting part of a pattern.
Okay, so this is the pattern unit. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, next. Number 2.
A number line.
A number line. Continue reading. Kong, a number line is?
A line with numbers on it.
A line with numbers on it, which is this one. Okay, so I think this one over here, let's gonna use our Microsoft Whiteboard. Okay, wait, Kong. I will gonna send a link to you, okay? Because we are going to use our pattern. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, it's my first time seeing your face, Kong. It's nice to see you. Wow. Kong is very handsome.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so teacher will gonna send a link, okay, and then you have to open it so we can start writing again. Oh, hi, hello. Is that your brother?
It's my friend.
Oh, it's your friend. What time in Vietnam now?
Yes. It's 9. It's 21.
Yeah, so it's 9. 9 p.m. Oh, is your friend still in your house? It's already late at night.
It's my neighborhood.
Okay. So Kong, teacher already sent a link to you. You can open that one. Oh my God. I'm so happy to see you, Kong. Okay. So, can you open the Did you open the whiteboard already?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So teacher will gonna put a picture over here. And let's see if you can see it. This one, can you see it, the picture?
Wait.
Can you see the picture?
Wait.
Okay.
Yes, I can.
Okay, so that's it. So can you please read it, Kong?
Circle the pattern unit. Draw what comes next.
Okay, so again, let's gonna do this again. I think this one serves as our review. Okay.
Okay.
Circle the pattern unit only. Circle the pattern unit first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and then write what comes next.
Okay.
Kong, what did you do? It's not a circle.
I think it's a circle.
No, look what you did. It's not a circle. Okay, but that's okay. I can still understand it. It's the blue, the green, and the yellow. Okay.
Yes. What? Okay.
Okay, that's it. Okay, now number 4. It says you need to draw your own pattern. Draw a pattern.
Okay. Draw pattern.
Draw a pattern. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I already see your face, Kong. It's my first time, bro. Kong, what's that? That's too big.
Yes.
Is that your pattern? What's that? A very big oblong. Okay, so white color only?
Draw the missing step.
It says draw the missing shape.
I draw it.
You draw it already, yeah. I can see it. A small circle. Okay. Kong, your pattern is draw a pattern. It's really big. But that's okay, okay. I can understand. Okay, so good job, Kong. Good job. Next. Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna delete this one already here because we're done with this. So I'm gonna delete this one, okay? Can you delete your answers, Kong?
Okay.
Okay, because we are now going to number 6, number 7, and
Oh.
I think you can finish. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. I think you can finish number 6 and number 7 before our time. Well, gonna be finished as well. Okay, so here, Kong.
What? No.
Wait, we are on number
What?
number 6, right? Can you see it?
Count. Write the number. Write the name of the number.
Okay, like what we did before. Count, count first, and then write the number in this side over here.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So you write the number in this line over here.
Okay. 12, 13. Oh, 13.
That's so fast of you. Okay, good job. 13. Okay, so that's it. I think that's the only thing that we're gonna use the whiteboard. But number 8, number 9, and number 10, it's okay if we're not gonna use the whiteboard. So wait a minute. I'm gonna switch back to our book. Here, can you see our book now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So can you please read number 8? It says compare and circle the correct words.
5 is greater than 3.
Okay, 5 is greater than 3. How about number 9?
12 is less than 13.
Good job. And the last one, number 10?
Number 10. Number 10 is 10.
Number 10 is 10. And number 11?
Number 11 is 17.
17. Okay. Thank you so much for today, Kong. See you again on Friday.
Yes.
Bye, Kong. Good to see you. Bye-bye. Good night.